You see how I make my kids' lunch boxes very flavorful, very appetizing, very tasty, very artsy, very demure. I had to do that. But anyways, guys, me and the girls went to this K-pop store and got a lot of good little snacky snacks from all over the world. So I said, well, why not be creative and demure and make them a Japan themed lunchbox? I think these are, I don't know. But yes, this is what the girls are taking today. And don't forget to use our coupon code, which will be in the description down below to get $5 or $10 off. Have a great day, guys. Let's make a big bag snack for my kids' lunchbox.
Big bag, big bag.
And it's just that. First thing first, you're going to travel over to Chick-fil-A and get the filet. You can get the spicy one if you want to add a little razzle dazzle. And then you're going to travel over to McDonald's and get the McGriddle. You just need the bun. You're going to need 2 of those. To make it extra big bag, it's Friday. Let's have a little fun. I'm going to add in the apple pie, some barbecue chips, and I did add in some apples for a little of the healthy side. This is the McGriddle and this is the filet. It is going to be bussin' by lunchtime. Right, girls?
Yeah.
Big bag, big bag.
Big bag, big bag.
You want to be a cool mom? Make your kid a big bag snack on Fridays or something fun. Okay, they've been learning all week. Have a great day, guys. Bye. Let's pack some ramen for my kids' lunchbox. First thing first, I started off with some Boom Chicka Pop popcorn, and then I topped it off with some Annie's cookies that are birthday cake flavored, so I had to add sprinkles. Then I added these hot and spicy checks from the K-pop store and some strawberries. I cooked the ramen as normal, and then I rinsed it off with cold water to stop the heating process and added some red chili flakes because my child likes it spicy. Here's the broth. Just kidding. That's the boiling hot water to activate the thermos. Here is the broth. And then I added some Louisiana because, like I said, my kid likes it spicy, honey. And then if you think this is going to spill in her lunchbox, you are wrong because ta-da! Have a great day. Bye. You're still watching. Thank you so much for that. You have made it midway through the week. You are now one of my elite employees. Okay, for the fruit today, we're adding some strawberries and some apples. And for the vegetable, I went ahead and added some carrots. And I put the ranch at the bottom so I wouldn't have to clean out 2 things, okay? Now, this is called taco skillet. It is so bomb. Look how bomb that looks. And you can use 1 pan to make it, 30 minutes or less. I will post the recipe down below if you need it and if you watch this video all the way through and want that recipe. Thank you so much and watch next video. And we're back. We're going to start it off with these Annie graham cracker cookies. They are so bomb and they come in many different flavors. I think they have s'mores as well. And then we're going to go ahead and add these corn chips in, which we got from the K-pop store. They are hot and spicy flavored. They're really good. For their fruit today, they're going to have a little bit of mango. And then for their vegetables, they're going to have sweet bell peppers. That was my little one approving the bell peppers with her peace sign. Now, these are like a little stuffed nachos. They literally melt in your mouth. We got them from Sam's Club, so if you want to try those, you need to try them. They're like Hot Pocket nachos. Sam's Club is where you will find them. Thanks so much for watching the video. Bye.